Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Okay, so this is your bonus love messages for the month of April 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Let's start your bonus love messages reading. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, Aquarius. So let's see what are the bonus love messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for the Aquarius for the month of April, which I need to deliver to Aquarius. What are the messages? Don't let your past hold you back. Okay. Then there is a win-win outcome as forecast. Luck is on your side. Conclusions are within reach. You are good enough. Any other message for Aquarius? Hold your visions, okay? Hold your vision, Aquarius. Don't let your past hold you back. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. You know that 2-3 days back there was full moon in Libra. Okay, so a win-win outcome is forecast here. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Conclusions are within reach. Full moon eclipse here again. Then there is you are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Lot of full moon energy is here, Aquarius. Okay, then there is hold your vision. You need to hold your vision. Let me see any other message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Wow. This is a time for healing. What do you need to release? Okay, there is something which you need to release here, Aquarius. So release anything on which you are still holding on and complete your healing. You have to do your healing here. Then there is a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. See again, new romantic cycle is going to begin here. A new start is coming. New moon, as you know, there was a full moon in Libra. A lot of new energy, new start in romantic life is going to happen for you, Aquarius. This is very beautiful messages is here. A new romantic cycle is going to begin, which is new moon in Libra. Okay, maybe you are dealing with Libra. The signs which you may be dealing with are Virgo, Libra, and Sagittarius, which I can see here. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from numerology deck. Manifestation. You are doing manifestation here, Aquarius, or someone else is doing manifestation. See again, manifestation and healing. Okay, this is the time of healing, which was the same message. A time for healing. Healing is coming for you. A time for healing. Complete your healing, Aquarius. So healing is here. There is some kind of manifestation. There is parenting here. If you are having kids at home, spend some time with your kids. Bottom of the deck, I'm having karmic completion. Okay, so you are completing your karmic completion. You are closing out a cycle. There is individuality, teaching and learning. Okay, you are learning, and you by doing teaching you are learning. Bottom of the deck, I'm having completion. Any other message? Patience. You need to keep your patience here, Aquarius. There is financial discipline and self-discipline. Both are required in your case. Bottom of the deck, I'm having, wow, happy endings and new beginnings. Okay, so new beginnings are coming for you here. See, karmic completion wants to come out again. Karmic completion is here. You are completing a cycle. You are closing out a cycle here. Any other message? Any other message? Communication is coming for you, Aquarius, okay? And there is a relationship change which is coming for you. 0550 was the recording reading time. Relationship is going to change for you. Relationship change is coming for you. There is communication which is coming for you. Lot of beautiful messages are here. Karmic completion. You're completing a karmic cycle with someone here. You're closing out a cycle. Okay. So the numbers which are important for you are 6. 6 can be an important number for you. There is 6, 1, 6 and 4. So 1, 6 and 4 can be an important number for you, Aquarius. Okay, thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from animal spirit. What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay, that are, I think there is a lot of message for you from the animal spirits. The cards are coming very fast today from the animal spirits. There are too many. Okay. Any other message? Set healthy boundaries. Armadillo spirit is here again, Aquarius. Okay, so in your main reading also you can have a look in your general reading. There was that you need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Okay, there is dolphin spirit, this and that true. Okay, this and that true. There is bad girl spirit, be fearless and bold, Aquarius. There is mouse spirit, tend to small things. Swan spirit, time for deep dive. Cow spirit, the miracles are endless. Okay, the miracles are endless. There is canary spirit, sing your own song. There is koi fish spirit, there is always enough. And there is wolf spirit, turn knowledge into wisdom. So beautiful messages from the animal spirits. Thank you, animal spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what is the message from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck for Aquarius for the month of April 2021. Please give me the messages which are important to deliver. Wow. Centering and there is love. Wow. New beginnings. First message for you is centering. There is love and there is new beginnings which are coming for you in the month of April. In your love, there is new beginnings which are coming for you. Beautiful. Thank you, Wisdom Oracle deck, Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. Spirit Guide. What are the messages for Aquarius, April 2021? See, bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings. 1 minute, I need to pick up the card. Okay, so there was a spirit guide and there is well-being here which has come for you. You are not alone here, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having new beginnings for you. Let me see more. What are the messages for Aquarius, April 2021? What are the messages which I need to deliver? Confidence, family, friendships. Keep your confidence with you, Aquarius, okay? There is 10 of Cups energies. There is a lot of new friendships which are coming for you. Okay. Any other message? Reconciliation. Wow. Use your talents, and there is some kind of closure which is happening for you. Have trust. Answers are coming for you, and trust the divine. Okay. New friendships and family. 10 of cups energy. Okay, so new friendships are coming for you, Aquarius. There is a spirit guide which is helping you, Aquarius. You are not alone at all. Take care of yourself. There is well-being, and have confidence. Keep your confidence with you. Use your talents. Okay, use your talents. There is some kind of closure which is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, and here I'm having home, and here I'm having reconciliation. Beautiful. So many of you are going to get reconciled with your divine counterpart. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Playing it safe. What are the messages? 1 minute. Okay. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Stuck energy. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages. Fragmented energy. Letting go. The Scare Temple. Wow. Commitment. New supportive connections. Back and forth. Again the family. And there is new beginnings. Transformation. Beautiful. So Aquarius, maybe right now your energy is fragmented. You are not letting go, and in this month you are going to let go anything which don't serve your highest good. So let go anything which don't serve your highest good. And there is fragmented energy. You are stuck in a cycle, or you're feeling stuck, but you are not looking that there is colorful rainbow which is there for you. Here you can get out of this energy of stuck energy and playing it safe. Once you let go everything which don't serve your highest good. Okay, because here I'm having, because you're getting back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so stop going back and forth here. There is family here. There is new supportive connections. Can you see new supportive connections, family, and again can you see commitment is coming for you. You're becoming transformed. Transformation is taking place for you. You're getting the blessings of Scare Temple here. Beautiful. There are new beginnings which are coming for you. So beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. That's what I am having from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from Crazy Sexy Love Notes. What are the messages for Aquarius? Reconsider your commitment. Your purpose is joy. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Too many messages. Please give me messages. Okay. Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius? See, again too many messages. Okay, so you need to unplug yourself from one day and take care of yourself. Rest here. It's time to stop procrastinating. Your current obligation and responsibility can no longer be put off. Chop chop. It's time to buckle down and to do the work. The resolution and abundance you seek requires action here, Aquarius. Ignore any naysaying voices. Believe in yourself. You can do this. Procrastination often comes from the fear that you cannot. You will be so relieved and proud when this is behind you. So here it is. There is trust your intuitions. It's time to stop seeking advice from others. Go within yourself. You know what's best for your body, mind, and spirit. Sit in meditation, walk in woods, ask yourself what you need and listen. Tune into your inner guidance. When you get a gut reaction, honor it. You have the answers, and it's safe to trust yourself. Everything you need is already there inside you. So trust your intuitions here. You are loved. You are enough as you are, and you are loved. If you don't have a model for love, imagine yourself as a child. Perhaps you have a favorite picture of yourself as an adorable 5-year-old. Look into your sweet eyes and acknowledge just how special you are. The child inside still needs your tenderness, and so does the adult you. Please don't abandon yourself. Instead, tap into the ocean of love inside. So love yourself, Aquarius. Your purpose is to joy. Your purpose has nothing to do with how you make a living. That is your vocation, mission, or inspired passion, all worthy. But your purpose is much simpler and bigger. The purpose is joy. It's about discovering, nurturing, and celebrating who you are, who truly you are, and knowing the loving yourself at the deepest love level. So you have to love yourself, Aquarius. Self love is indicated here. You have to love yourself. There is belief, that's magic. There is magic all around you. Open up to the wonders of the universe. Notice the connections and the synchronicities. Follow your feelings and believe with your heart. We successfully manifest our dreams when our feelings are in alignment with our plans. From that scared union, the right ideas take shapes, the best relationship blossom, and the stuff that mean to be easily fall into place. Everything is possible. You just need to believe it. There is reconsider your commitment. Have you piled so much on your plate that there is little room for you? Identify what truly matters and gracefully decline the rest. There is universe of meaningful opportunities on the side of no. In fact, every no makes space for the perfect yes. Your freedom is closer than you think. There is make waves. If it's your turn to make a splash and rock a few cracky boats. Don't be afraid to get wet. You may fail, you may look foolish, or you may make people think in a new way. Every great trailblazer and change maker made waves. So you are no different. So beautiful message here from this deck. I love the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the guides. Know your truth. Live your bliss. Learn from your mistakes. You are here for a reason. Understand your body. Be of service. Kindness counts. Everyone has a value here, Aquarius. Practice moderation and inspire others. Beautiful. Try to eat healthy as much as you can. There is live your bliss. Feel joy in all you do. Okay. Know your truth. You are here for a reason. Learn from your mistakes. So beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages, guides. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Okay. The universe wants to give you a lot of messages. Honor thyself, honor yourself here, Aquarius. Ye ha and keep it simple. Okay. Honor yourself first. Respect yourself first. Keep it simple. There is your treasure is at your hand. What you will find what you seek. Whatever you are seeking, you will find it. Your treasure is at hand. Most people are trying to survive. Okay, so always feel gratitude about whatever you are having in your life. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. What you give will come back. Okay, so whatever you will give will come back to you. So these are the messages from universe. Let's add one message from love yourself, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Give me one message. Too many messages. Please give me one message for Aquarius. I forgive myself for any wrongdoing. I no longer judge or criticize myself. I'm free to love who I am. And that's very important, Aquarius. You have to forgive yourself too. Not even others, you need to forgive yourself too. So beautiful message for you. So this was your bonus love messages for the month of April. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.